To use the USB feature, you'll need to purchase a USB to printer cable for your Mac computer. There are two kinds depending on the age of your computer. The picture on the left shows a USB-C to B male cable for newer Macs, and on the right is a USB 2.0 for older Mac computers. Above is a description for each type of cable from a popular online ordering website. First, let's get the most recent drivers online. To download the latest Mac drivers, go to kyocera.documentsolutions.us. Click on Support located near the top of the page and select it. Click on Download Center. In Choose an Option, look for EcoSys M2635DW. Look for the Mac driver. Click on the down arrow key. The download will begin. You will now have a folder named Mac 5 and some numeral. Double-click on the folder. Inside, you'll find one file ending in DMG. Double-click on the file. The file will open up, and you will find three additional files. On the left, you'll see Kyocera OSX 10.9 Plus file. In the center, a Mac driver guide, and on the right, an uninstaller app. Click on the first file. Go through the wizard and click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Continue one more time and agree to the software license to begin the wizard installation. Click on Install. Enter your username and password. Click on Install Software. Once the installation is complete, you should see the green check mark. Click on Close. You can either keep the installation files or move them to the trash as they are no longer needed. Now plug in your USB cable to the printer. Plug the other end into your Mac computer. In the System Preferences page, select Printers and Scanners. Press the plus key. Look for Kyocera EcoSys M2635DW with the kind defined as USB. The location is the name of your Mac computer. You can change it to whatever you like, such as Home Office. Next, select Use, and you should see Kyocera EcoSys M2635DW KPDL. Click on Add. The printer will now appear as active. You can now select sharing preferences as needed. You can also make your newly installed Kyocera printer the default printer, meaning any print job from this computer will automatically print to your Kyocera printer. Now select the default paper size. In most cases, you'll be printing US letter. You have now installed your EcoSys M2635DW printer.